Yes, sir. Yeah. Back and forth. Yeah, they was over here, they was over here, they was over here. He's like swagging us, sir. What happened to the whip, bro?
Shit, I was racing you, burnt your ass.
What's poppin', big boy Archie coming at you with another video. You already know what's going down. We finna pop out to the city, get this bit bussin'. But you already know I'm at the fill-up station. Hemi boy pulled up on me, you already know. If y'all been in tune with the city, y'all seen they've been trying to shut down the whole car scene, all of that. But we gonna see what's up tonight. We gonna see what's rocking with it. But y'all stay tuned for the full video. I'm gonna meet up with some homies right now, so y'all stay tuned. I'm out. Video live in the flesh, you already know. Yeah, we in here, you already know. We out here in the city tonight.
Tow truck guy, probably the tow truck guy.
Hey, what company you work for?
Right now I work for Wes's Towing, Police Tows.
Hell yeah. Hey, yeah, if your car get towed from the police, definitely he might have told your shit. But y'all stay tuned for this full video.
It's a living.
Hey, he got the jewelry on, you already know, but we gonna see what's up with this pit. Y'all stay tuned for this full video, man.
Be safe out there, man.
Alright, so we got the Mopars out here. We got insane in this pit tonight, man. It was like 3 cars. I had to hop out the middle.
Then we over here, then we over here, then we over here. It's like swag and I serve.
He said swag and I serve.
The police, they not stopping us over here, man.
Yeah.
It's not stopping these smart ass motherfuckers, man.
Hey.
Like it's literally, I would say like 300 cars out here, bro. Probably like 500 people. It's packing, bro.
Hey, man, if you're not out here, what Kyla said, you gonna be watching it from a screen, man. For real, for real. Hell yeah.
He said, so watch that from the screen.
Hell yeah. Hey, man, y'all already know Tito going stupid out here with the. Hey, man, this shit don't zoom in.
You can't zoom, man. You gotta get a real camera like this one, man.
Hey, soon, man, soon.
I ain't gonna hate though. I started off on a GoPro too. I started off on a GoPro, and I went like this. For sure.
Man, but we about to get back to this content, man. You already know. Ooh, hey, I already knew this mall was a cat. I already knew as soon as I walked up. Got that toy out for real, for real. Hey, we got my boy in the building. His ass not in the whip though. Hey, tell him what happened. What happened to the whip, bro?
Shit, I was racing you, burnt your ass. Fuck my
Cap, where's the cap? Yo, hell no. Like I said, man, they got them toys out here, boy. They is not playing. Jeez. This motherfucker hit it for real, boy. Jeez. Fans coming in, man. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, tune in. I might get messed with, I might get a ticket. But y'all already know, man. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going up all 2021, man. Like, comment, sub, share the video. I'm out.